Hi, my name is Brian, and I'm excited to introduce PowerPhotos version 3.0, which adds a number of new features to help you manage your photo libraries on the Mac. PowerPhotos 2.0 already lets you manage multiple libraries, delete duplicates, copy albums, export photos, and merge libraries. PowerPhotos 3 now adds the ability to edit titles, keywords, and captions for the first time. The search feature has a brand new indexing engine, which lets you set up complex nested searches, add supports for many more search criteria, multi-library search, and save searches. A revamped photo browser also allows for faster navigation and updating, and the ability to add, remove, and edit albums right from within PowerPhotos. Let's take a quick look at each of the new features. PowerPhotos 3 features a brand new inspector pane on the right that presents detailed info about the selected photo. You can now edit titles, keywords, and captions directly from PowerPhotos. The controls are designed so you can quickly edit many photos in a row just using the Tab key, without your hands ever having to leave the keyboard. Selecting multiple photos will show the batch editor, which lets you create your own custom templates to change your photo titles or captions. You can include pieces of each photo's metadata, such as the photo's date, file name, size, incrementing counters, and more. Next, the improved search feature lets you set up a search using a number of different criteria, such as photo file names, keywords, dates, sizes, and so forth. You can combine these criteria and even nest them using ands and ors to narrow down the photos you're looking for. Once you have a search set up, save it for next time you want to perform the same search. Searches can also be done across multiple libraries at once, instead of just searching one library at a time. The photo browser has also had several major improvements. First, PowerPhotos now updates its browser live whenever changes are made to the library, so you'll spend a lot less time waiting for PowerPhotos to refresh after changes are made, like after deleting photos. You can now also manage your albums directly from within PowerPhotos, so you no longer need to open the library in Photos to do it there. This includes creating and deleting albums and folders, renaming albums, adding and removing photos to and from albums, and rearranging albums in your album list. Version 3 also features a brand new photo viewer, which lets you easily swipe through photos right inside the window, rather than using a clunky separate window. There are also a few extra enhancements that may come in handy. All the above operations modifying your library support undo, as well as any changes you make in the library list itself. The library list now supports multiple selections, so if you want to do something like delete several libraries at once or move a whole bunch to another group, you can now do that all at once rather than having to go one library at a time. And lastly, in addition to the existing ability to copy photos or albums from one library to another, you can now move photos or albums between libraries as well. Just hold down the Command key while dragging your items, then after PowerPhotos is done copying them to the new library, it'll go back and delete them from the original library for you, so you don't have to go back and delete them yourself. So that's a brief overview of the new features in PowerPhotos 3. If you've never tried PowerPhotos, you can download it for free from fatcatsoftware.com to try it out. Purchasing a license will unlock all the features of PowerPhotos, including deleting duplicates, merging libraries, and unlimited photo copying and metadata editing. If you have a license for any older version of PowerPhotos or iPhoto Library Manager, you can upgrade to PowerPhotos 3 for 50% off by entering your license key when placing your order at fatcatsoftware.com/store. Over the next few weeks, I plan on releasing additional videos that go through each of the new features in more detail. Thanks for watching.